tutorial, we will understand how to process applications that have been submitted under the support to farmers for setting up sheep, goat, pig, broiler units. First of all, go to Service Plus, then click on the Login button on the home page. Use your BVO credentials that have been shared by the state to log in on the portal. Enter your username and password and then enter the CAPTCHA. Then click on the Login button. This is your home screen, which is your dashboard. Here you can see the total applications that you have received, the pending applications, the process applications and the delivered applications. To see the pending applications, click on Message Box and then click on Inbox. From the Select Service option, select the scheme, which is support to farmers for setting up sheep, goat, broiler, pig units. Then select the task, which is processing by the veterinary officer. Click on Get Data. Here you can see the scheme, the application number that has been applied by the citizen. Click on Pull. While clicking on the View Processing History, you can see the entire application that has been submitted by the citizen. Coming back to the main screen, in the action to be taken, either you can reject the application or you can deliver it. After clicking on Deliver, you can add any documents, upload any documents if necessary. This is not a mandatory step, but if you want to upload any document, you can do that. You can enter your remarks here, and then you need to enter the details of the veterinary officer who has processed these schemes as well as the registration number. Then click on the Submit button. You will have to upload the project proposal document as well as the bank letter details that has been issued. Then click on the Submit button. Now the applications have been submitted and the scheme has been delivered. Click on Submit to complete the final step. Now the citizen will be intimated about the delivery of the scheme.